In this video, I'm going to show you a safe, low-risk method to remove tempered glass from the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra without damaging the display or the oleophobic coating. Now what you need is a plastic card. If you have a guitar picker or something that is plastic and thin, or a spatula, so whatever you have at home, just look around. This is optional. You may use a hair dryer on a low heat to heat up the glass before we remove it. You also need a microfiber cloth for cleaning afterward, and most importantly, you need some patience as well. So before we begin, make sure you switch off the device by pressing on the power button. After that, we need to warm up the screen slightly, so use a hair dryer on low heat and spend around 20 to 30 seconds holding it around 20 to 30 centimeters away. This will soften the adhesive, so do not overheat your screen, it may damage the screen. Okay, to begin, we use a plastic card or a guitar picker, and we begin at the corner. I would suggest we begin at the bottom corner, so if there is any scratches or damage that you may cause to the screen, at least it is not visible. So never try to start or pry at the center here. It will risk of screen damaging. So we start at the bottom corner. Now you can see at the top here there is already damage or it start to break off, so I can use this guitar picker here and I'll insert it in like this slowly, like this, and then try to kind of like pry and push upward like this. So you don't want to push it down, that will scratches the glass or the screen, so you want to push it going upward like that, so like that. Okay, so we may begin now. I'll use this pry tool here that I have, and then slowly just push upwards like this. You can see it start coming off already. And then try to lift up like this. Now this is very sticky glass, so you can see it start to peel off and just broke off like that. So then we go down here and then slowly we'll pry it off. Now again, like I say, because this is a tempered glass, so it might just simply break off, so you need to be patient with this. So you see the glasses come off, but it doesn't come off completely. It shatters in pieces. Another thing that you can do is before you begin, we can tape it off. If it starts to break off like this, we can tape it off. Okay, so here I can try to tape it off on the side. This will help the glass from breaking off everywhere. And then we can continue on prying off the glass like so. Well, this one sticks quite well to the screen itself. So I will try at the bottom here because we are now approaching the center of the screen, and I don't like that. So here you can see at the bottom here it is easier. So if for some reason the top is getting too hard because it keeps breaking off, we might need to begin at the bottom here. Once there is an opening, you may insert a larger card. So here I will insert a larger card in like this. And then we try to go around the screen like this. So we go around the screen and then we lift it up. So you can see it start to breaking off already. Okay, now all I'm doing is I'm just lifting this up. And then we go around the edge. You can see where we put in the sticky tape, it holds all the glasses together. And that's why it's quite helpful if you tape it down first. Now on this part here I didn't tape it down, so you can also try to hold on and then lift up like this slowly. Again, do not force to do it too quick. We do it slowly, be patient, and then we put this one in. This glass has been stay on the device for over 4 years, so you can see it can be a little bit tricky to remove now. It's really dry and sticky, so now it's coming off. Just be very careful. I don't want the glasses to go on my hand. Just do it slowly and gently. Okay, so now it's nice and clean. We can use some alcohol wipes to clean off the glass. Here we want to remove all the adhesive that's left over. Alright, so that looks nice and beautiful, scratchless. And that's how you can remove the tempered glass from the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video.